Welcome to the Vonderosa Wide Plank Floor Showroom. This is our new showroom over at 106 Babusick Lake Road in Amherst. And come on in here, I'll show you what I tried to do. We took our different products and we put different finishes on them. Tried to keep it very simple, but give you a nice visualization of what you can expect when you buy one of our floors or you finish it the way that we recommend finishing it. So if you look over here, this whole first run across this section of the barn, this whole section is Vonderosa white, live sawn, character grade white oak. So let's take a look at the natural. So this floor here, this section here is Vonderosa white done with a water-based finish. It gives it the most natural look possible with the water base. Just to show you the difference, for instance, is the one right next to it. This is the exact same floor, the exact same product, and it's done with an oil-based finish. I can think this is a little more of a traditional look with the oil kind of punches the color quite a bit more, depending on your preference. Then this one here is, once again, same product, but this is done with our whitewash stain. And we will have some other samples here to show the different degrees of whitewash. This is a pretty aggressive whitewash here. It's more opaque, if you will. We just put on our finish, and then we finished this with we put on the stain, and then we finished this with a water-based poly. If we can get the look that you've seen like on the persnickety on the website, where it's just a very subtle look, basically the whitewash is just in the pores and not so much covering the product. Use the same product, but we buff it out before we do it. We'll have some samples here that we can show you. Not the full floor sample, but you can get an idea how that would look. And then this very simply is with our colonial stain. So just shows you how nicely the white oak stains. And then over here, these three sections are the Vonderosa original, the Vonderosa black. This is our answer to the reclaimed flooring business at a much more reasonable price. But anyway, 1, 2, 3 sections of Vonderosa black. Once again, this one's done with the oil base. This one's the very natural looking water base, and this is with the colonial stain. And we also have extra wide Eastern white pine done with a water-based stain. If we did this with oil, it would look a little richer. Once again, we've got some samples, not floor size samples, but we got some samples we could show you. And then this is the extra wide pine with the colonial look, a little more old-fashioned, traditional. And these are 16-inch wide pines. And then as you come this way, we typically run, this is what we more typically run in the pine. This is 12 inches wide, once again with a water base. We also do heart pine. This has an oil base on it. Then we can do this is a variation of the persnickety again. This is basically a select white oak wide with the whitewash stain on this one, oil base on this. We also have the red pine, which is a little bit harder than the Eastern white pine, and also has a lot of the heart pine, the look of a heart pine, in that the sapwood is light and the heartwood is dark. got that here. Then we've got a nice wide country cherry right here, also done with a water base. And that's pretty much the way we got it set up for now. Hope to see you at the showroom. Thank you.